Next Gen Everest is exactly the same as the Next Gen Ranger. You need to start with 2 original keys and then have your remote start key. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to lift up the center console. Inside, the Everest has this little rubber mat, some of them. Just grab that little tang, lift it up, and that gives us access to our programming pad. So you're going to take your first key, flip it over so the Ford badge is sticking upwards. Place it there. Then you want to push your start button on. Let the screen light up. Push the start button off. Take the key, take it out. Take your next key, do the same thing, put it there, press the start button, turn it off. Take the key out, take your new key, place it in the programming pad, press the start button, wait. When the car does that, that's it confirming that it's programmed. Press stop, take the key, let's lock the car, unlock it. Cool, that works. So with the remote start function, you need to press lock, then double press remote start.